definitely go ahead and check that out. Okay, so let's go ahead and start the breakdown. So yeah, I mean, I haven't traded since Thursday. Super interesting Thursday here. We did have like this head and shoulders. Let me go ahead and change this color here. We had this head and shoulders going on from here, like this, kind of something like this. And then once it broke this neckline, it just completely dumped, which is good. Got us away from all-time high, and now we're back to these levels that we had been, trading before without any issues. Now let's go into the 5-minute. So yesterday was holiday. You can see here pretty choppy. Market ended early. Looking at this, let's take a look. On the 5-minute, I see this pretty clearly. We have a trend like this going on. So I see prices rejecting this area a few times. Rejected, all this. So it could potentially do maybe something like this. Oh, we have to look at the story. So it's doing this. Maybe could come back up to retest up here. So that being said, let's take a look. I would enter buys right here. Pretty simple. It's lining up with London highs right here, as well as like pre-market New York highs. And then I see this was actually yesterday's New York low. So key levels lining up with this 1 hour zone here. So I would confidently take buys on this level to then go ahead and, probably target right here. Perfect. Asia highs. All right, like a 1 to 2 there. And then again, once it breaks that trend line, I would go ahead and enter here. Pretty simple. It's kind of lining up with London lows. Put that here. To then target pre-market lows right here. I'll just put this. Yeah, pretty straightforward setups here. Let me go ahead and put the actual price in the chat. Pretty simple. So hopefully this week it's not as choppy as last week. Last week was insanely choppy. I noticed how almost every entry would just get wicked in like this and then go and make the move. Super annoying, but whatever, it happens, man. It really does. Got about 4 minutes left. No, less, like 3 minutes. I do want to hold as much as I can, like the full 100 points on each side. I'll see how it is with volume, but I do want to hold as much as I can to recover from last week. Because yeah, man, last week was insanely choppy. Look at this. That was Friday. Thursday was insane after, but morning session looked choppy here. I remember this was annoying. Literally wicked in, hit SL, and then hit TP. But whatever, it happens, man. Let's see how much time we have left. minutes. Put my sells now in a bit, and then I'll go get ready to put my buys. My sells now, or it's a sell stop. I know we have some new members, so we're not putting instant market execution yet. We're just putting a sell stop. We're gonna wait for price to then activate our trade. And we have our buys here. I already put them in the chat. If you look at the chat, we have the buys and sell signals right there. Buys is just 1 point up, 80. And again, I like to wait until it's almost 9:30, because I don't like to be in pre-market, nothing like that. I don't like to be tapped in early and then waked out for no reason. Again, if it does go, we have a few seconds here. I don't want to be in a few seconds. Okay, let's see. So, okay, good. It pulled back. All right, I'm putting my buy stop. Everything's in place. Let's go ahead and just wait. Okay, buys in. Okay, trailing my stops. Going break even. Oh shit. No, come on. There we go. Let's get that full TP, come on. Perfect. Fucking perfect. Perfect execution. Make sure to close your cells here. Exactly what I like on Mondays and Tuesdays. Fucking rip through that shit. Insane price action with seconds. See those profits? Let's go. Yes, sir. Awesome, guys. Well, should we go back in with 5 contracts and full port it? Yeah, go ahead. No, bro. Insane. Smash through Asia high. Now it's rejecting here. But yeah, one and done. I'm done for the day. Accounts are locked. Pretty much recovered more than half of the losses already from last week. I'm just missing one RR for me. And that's it. Yeah, I'll be posting the trade recap video, trade recap in the Discord. Everything will be there. We'll be back tomorrow, same time. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Later, everyone.